Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a yummy Thai style mushroom recipe. This dish is very flavorful and can be served both as a side dish and also as a starter. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Here I have taken one each of small sized red, green and yellow bell peppers. Next we need one small onion roughly chopped, 400 grams of washed and clean mushroom also roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon garlic paste and 1 tablespoon peppercorn powder, 2 tablespoon dark soya sauce and 2 tablespoon oyster sauce. I have used Pantai's oyster sauce. You can use any brand you find. Also, I have used Ching's secret dark soya sauce. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil along with some butter. Once it gets heated up, add the garlic paste and stir it so that it doesn't get burnt. Add the chopped onions. Now add the bell peppers. If you cannot find all the 3 colors at once, use any colored bell pepper you find. It tastes the same. Now add salt as per your taste. Also add the peppercorn powder. Stir well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the mushrooms now and mix it well with the onions and the bell peppers. Add the dark soya sauce and then the oyster sauce. Stir for a while and then cover it with the lid. Cook for about 20 minutes. Also, don't forget to keep an eye in between. After about 20 minutes, the mushrooms are cooked and this mouth-watering dish is finally ready. Serve it hot as a starter or as a side dish with roti or naan. In my household, I also serve this dish as a sandwich and sometimes as mushroom omelette. Works so well for snacks. This recipe is just so tasty and flavorful. Do try it once and let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.